harness and spreader bar are an often overlooked part of the kite connection system. A few years ago, we set out to review and improve this vital connection between the riders and their equipment. I'm Hugh Pinfold, one of MP's product designers. We first redesigned the spreader bar from the ground up. We introduced a forged aluminium spreader bar with feedback from our team riders. We explored multiple shape and construction options using finite element analysis. We looked at dynamic loads to come up with this distinctive shape. Next in the development process was the convertible harness system. You can now take any harness body and connect either a kite surfing or windsurfing specific spreader bar. This way you can have one harness body that will work for either sport. The next step in this development process was designing some kite surf specific spreader bar options. The Halo and the Tracker solve some of the basic riding problems and provide some more varied connection options. One of the classic problems with kite surfing is the twist of your bar and harness by the kite pulling at a side vector to your body. This mainly happens when you're carving turns or riding toe side. Having to resist this force can be tiring and can leave your body in an undesirable riding position. The Tracker tackles this problem by having a pivoting hook that reacts to your kite's movement. So the Tracker's pivoting point is much closer to the body than a traditional hook. This reduces the torque load from the kite during toe-side riding or carving turns. This will greatly reduce the twisting of the harness and allows the rider's body to be in a much more natural riding position. The Tracker works equally as well in waves or freestyle. As an added benefit, by reducing this twisting, you also reduce chafing from the harness, particularly when not wearing a wetsuit. When producing the Tracker, we realised that there are inherent problems with moving parts in a saltwater environment. To overcome this, we've used only the best materials for all components of the Tracker. The bar body is made from forged aluminium, which has a fantastic strength to weight ratio. The fulcrum, or the pivot point, is made with our own custom titanium screw. The spring is marine grade stainless steel, which drives the heart of the Tracker, and we've used Teflon washers between all moving parts to reduce friction. Recognising that moving parts may wear after extended use, we're supplying a spare parts pack with every bar. The Tracker has the same smooth styling as our original S1 spreader bar. This gives a wide connection point for the harness loop, reducing wear, and offers a safe release when necessary. This robust mechanical system wears less than other webbing or bungee systems available on the market. The Tracker is a beautifully designed, intuitive connection system for your kite. Designed and tested with our pro rider team, the Tracker will give you more freedom of movement during every ride. With the convertible harness system, as well as our new spreader bar options, you can fully customize your ride. You'll have freedom of movement and freedom of choice.